Welcome to our channel. If you want to add family members to your phone plan and save money, follow these step-by-step instructions to optimize shared plan costs. Step 1. Review your current plan details, including data allowance, monthly cost, and how many lines you can add. Understanding your existing plan helps you choose the best family option. Step 2. Contact your carrier to discuss family plan options and pricing. Most carriers offer significant per-line discounts when you add 2 or more lines to your account. Step 3. Compare the cost difference between adding lines to your current plan versus switching to a new family plan. Sometimes completely new plans offer better value than modifying existing ones. Step 4. Gather information from family members, including their phone numbers if porting from another carrier. You'll need account numbers and PIN codes from their current carriers to transfer numbers. Step 5. Choose appropriate data allowances for each family member based on their usage patterns. Heavy streamers need unlimited or high data plans, while light users can save with smaller allowances. Step 6. Set up family controls and spending limits if needed. Most carriers allow primary account holders to restrict data usage, set spending caps, and control content access for each line. Step 7. Order new SIM cards for family members joining your plan or coordinate number porting. SIM cards are typically free, and porting usually completes within a few hours to 1 business day. Step 8. Review your first bill carefully to ensure all promotional discounts and line additions are correct. Contact customer service immediately if charges don't match what was quoted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.